Alright. This is my Wisconsin Robin engine. I believe it's early 90s. Very old muffler. The screws on it are like, I don't even know how I'm gonna take them off, probably like just bust them off. So WI-90 800203. It's a pretty good engine. Start catching it. It's okay. I wonder, how do you take this off? It came with a power washer. I bought it up for $80. Perfect. Just curious, how do you take this little part off? The screws on it is like, there's not one screw in it. Get this started up for you guys. Yeah, one's pretty good. Yeah. Very good. Runs very nice. See, if any of you can help me out, tell me how do you take this part off. I really don't know how to take it off. I want to put it on the go-kart. I don't know what this is, first of all. I don't know how the hell that got on there. So it had anything to do with this part right here? You push it or something? I don't know. Pliers or a fucking hammer. Hammer it off. Look like someone already tried. So here's like all chipped. Hard to turn. Yeah. It is bad also when you like when it's pulled all the way when it's not started, but when it starts it just goes down, up and down, then you pull it all the way. Yeah. I don't know if that's bad or good, but we going anyway. Spark plug seems clean, seems good. And the oil is really, really dirty. Look at that. See that? It's supposed to see through oil. Black. If any of you can help me on how to find out how you take this part off, it'd be very helpful. Like, you pop this down or something, you just hammer it down. But I don't want to take it to a mechanic because they'll just overcharge me for no reason. If any of you know any websites that can help me out on this, you know, that'd be helpful too. Something the horsepower. It's supposed to say it like right over here. Also, this right here. See those? How they're so far apart, right? Oh, that burned me. See how this is far apart from here, right? I'm trying to put it on right there. Like, should I poke a hole through it? Should I just take my chances and just screw what I can screw on? Like, I'm kind of dangerous. See, the most important thing, I just want to know how you take that off. It'd be very helpful. If any of you can let me know. Carb. I semi-cleaned it, didn't clean it all the way. Carb seems kind of dirty. Should give that a nice cleaning. Valve. I'm not gonna read that. Anyone ever does anyway. I'm not listening. This is like a kill switch or something. I like this engine though. It's a very nice engine. I bought it off some guy who took it off power washer. The power washer just stopped working because he had this engine just lying around, and he just posted it on Craigslist. I saw the ad, I went over, saw it, turned it on, and I liked it. This thing is, I have to ask him, how do you take this off? I forgot what the guy lived also. So if any of you know any information on how to, any website that would help me taking this off, very helpful. What is that anyway? Yeah. So, hope you guys enjoy the video. I'll be posting up some new videos on this engine next time. Well, jasp it out. Peace.